Welcome once again to the heart of nature here in Githega, where rivers flow freely, waterfalls sing through the valleys, and hidden caves carry stories shaped by time itself. As we continue this journey down by the riversides of Githega, you can immediately feel the calmness that surrounds this beautiful environment. The sound of flowing water, the cool breeze through the trees, and the fresh natural air create a truly therapeutic experience for both the body and the mind. These rock streams are more than just water channels. They are lifelines to the community, supporting farming, sustaining vegetation, and nourishing the fertile lands that makes this region so productive and green throughout the year. Ahead of us lies one of the nature's hidden wonders, the Githega waterfalls and caves. The falling water crashing against the rocks create a peaceful rhythm that many visitors find deeply relaxing and healing. It's a reminder of the law, beauty, and power of nature. The caves themselves hold mystery and history, formed naturally over many years. They stand as silent witnesses to generations that have passed through this land. Exploring these spaces gives a sense of connection to both nature and heritage. As we walk along these riversides, notice the rich plant life, the bird song echoing through the trees, and the untouched beauty of the landscape. Places like this remind us how important it is to protect our environment for future generations. Nature here is not rushed. It flows slowly, peacefully, and naturally. For many people, experiences like this become more than tourism. They become therapy, a chance to disconnect from noises, stress, and busy city life, and reconnect with peace, simplicity, and the beauty of the earth. Githega continues to reveal itself as a hidden treasure of Kiambu County, rich in scenery, culture, fresh water, fertile land, and natural beauty. So take in the moment, enjoy the sound of the streams, breathe the fresh air, and experience another side of Kenya that is calm, green, and deeply refreshing. This is nature's wonder. This is Githega in Kiambu County. Wagwan good people.
Navutishwa, navutishwa, moshi pia napuliziwa. Navutishwa, navutishwa, naishi kama paka nalishwa. Navutishwa, navutishwa, haya mapenzi sitalipishwa. Navutishwa, navutishwa mama. Navutishwa, navutishwa mama. Sosi delivery, pombe kemikali, mapenzi halali, mapenzi legend. Nilikuanga silali, hapo awali, Kanairo hakuna amani. Hakuchi on fire, can't deny. Miguu zake unzunguka kama taya. Akibend over, ni game over. Mwanga na sosi mpaka naitisha sosa. Na kulishwa
matamu ya roho
naogeshwa
mamu
ngoza mbichi na valishwa kidogo tu ninyonyeshwe
chemical
dredi zangu zisokotwe shingo ni masajiwe nasanifiwa naroliwa kisha navutishwa 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 moshi pia napuliziwa navutishwa navutishwa naishi kama paka nalishwa navutishwa navutishwa haya mapenzi sijalipishwa navutishwa, oh, navutishwa mama, navutishwa, navutishwa mama. Kuamka kung'ara na kukaa tu, kula mahaba ya kistaarabu, na tabasamu bila sababu, kitandani nafunzwa adabu, kukaa kukaliwa, kulala kulaliana na kulaliwa, maisha ya gorofa, nikitoka kitandani naruka kwa sofa, wifi imelipiwa nadekezwa upara na papaswa nabembelezwa natulizwa uso nakaliwa nasanifiwa naroliwa kisha navutishwa mama, navutishwa, oh, navutishwa.